Hey everyone, today I'm looking at something that I found on Mech Group Buys. It's a really affordable 40% kit with a 3D printed case, so let's go take a look at it. It is called the Tub40 and it's by Heck.xyz, who have made other cases in the past. This one is actually a case that they printed specifically to be used with the Contra PCB. The Contra actually is a $17 sandwich kit that you can put together yourself with through-hole. This actually comes with all of that normally comes with the Contra, but it also includes a Pro Micro that doesn't come with the original Contra kit, and of course the 3D printed case. There are a few options. You can get it all 3D printed with an integrated 3D printed plate for the switches, or you can go a little more expensive. It's only $10 more for the aluminum plate and aluminum bottom. So starting from the cheapest, it's $55 for the fully 3D printed, $65 for the aluminum plate, and then after that it gets a little more expensive with brass bottoms and brass plates and brass bottoms. But I would suggest just going for the cheaper options with the aluminum plate and 3D printed case. It does come in a variety of colors. Right now they only have sample pictures for a few of them. You have the pink here, and I will show you some of the filaments that they're actually going to be using for the other colorways. So starting from the top here, we have the marble, we have bright orange, not my favorite color, definitely going to pass on that. We have standard black, blue, which I really like, it's a lightish grayish blue, much better for me than any of sort of very, very bright blues. Then we have the pink that was on display on the site, and my personal favorite is the lavender here. I'm hoping that the color is a little bit lighter for the end product, but I guess we'll see. And then of course we have white. So that's basically it for the Tub40. I think it's a really good buy for $55 to $65 for the aluminum plate model. I don't think you'd regret buying this at all. And the group buy is only going on for 5 or 6 more days, but the turnaround is incredibly fast. Once you do the group buy, you'll only be waiting until an estimated June 2021. So this is probably one of the shortest turnarounds I've seen for a group buy in a long time. And yeah, that's about it for the Tub40 with the Contra PCB. Another good thing about this is if your PCB breaks or malfunctions, you can get a Contra replacement PCB for around $10. So very, very cool. Alright, if you like the video, leave a like, and if you like the board, go check it out. Heck.xyz. Alright, have a good night, everyone.